In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Flash Attention. Flash Attention is the implementation of Attention 2 and Flat Attention algorithms, which primarily reorder the attention computation and also leverage classical techniques to speed it up and reduce memory usage from quadratic to linear. In simple words, what this algorithm is trying to do is to solve this problem. Scaling transformers to longer sequence lengths has been a major problem in the last several years, promising to improve performance in language modeling and high resolution image understanding, as well as to unlock new applications in code, audio, and video generation. So, this attention layer is a main bottleneck in scaling to longer sequences, and that is where flash attention exploits the asymmetric GPU memory hierarchy. They also have released this open source GitHub repo, which you can see on your screen, and it is bit cryptic to install, where you have to have Coda and PyTorch, and then after afterwards you can install the packaging. Plus, then you have to build it um, through pip the flash attention with no build isolation. Once that's done, you can go in and then use it as per this Python code. I will drop the link to this GitHub repo in video's description, and in the subsequent video I'm also going to try this installation out. Now I will also post the link to their paper, which is from Princeton and Stanford University. So and you can also read it at your leisure. Also, as you can see that this diagram shows you the memory hierarchy with bandwidth and memory size, plus all the flow which is going on, which basically is telling us the efficient exact attention with IO awareness. So that's it, guys. Just a quick introduction to this Flash Attention 2. And if you have any feedback or questions, please put them in the comment section. Thank you very much.